Hey, what's going on, my friend? Is Supreme Profit Systems a legitimate system for you to be able to make money from home, fire your boss, and never have to work a 9-to-5 job again so that you can be able to live the laptop lifestyle? Well, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you why Supreme Profit Systems is good or bad and what I like and don't like about it. So please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future network marketing, home-based business videos. My name is Justin Temple. I've been in the industry for over a decade, 12 years now. And I actually started when I was 15 years old, dropped out of high school at 16 years old to pursue network marketing and this online marketing career because I didn't know what I wanted to do in high school. And I actually became a top 200 earner inside of the program that I very first joined. My biggest day was $1,500 inside of that program. And I, again, became a top 200 earner of over 100,000 affiliates. So I was doing pretty good. And then the company shut down, everything went away, and I left the industry because I didn't want to promote anything that was out there anymore. So I left the industry, started helping local businesses with their marketing, doing SMMA, and then I actually had my own store, drop shipping and making $300 per day with my own online store. And then the shipping crisis happened, and so the supplier prices went up, the shipping times went up, and so my store suffered. And I decided to not sell physical products anymore. I didn't want to deal with shipping. I didn't want to deal with customer service. I didn't want to deal with another country. So I just went ahead and came back to affiliate marketing to sell digital products so that it's much easier, instant delivery, less overhead. Like my affiliate business has like no expenses. So like I really like the affiliate marketing business model. So I came back to it and started this YouTube channel right here. And after 8 months of building this YouTube channel, I was able to make enough money to never have to work a job again, fire my boss, and escape the rat race. So you too can make videos just like this on YouTube and make money from home just like I do. And I coach people anywhere in the world to be able to do the same thing as well. Okay, so let's get into Supreme Profit Systems and whether or not this is a legitimate system or not. Well, what I really think about Supreme Profit Systems is that it's actually one of the most legitimate systems that you could get started with because it's an upfront commission program. So when you ask, is Supreme Profit Systems legitimate? Like, it's very simple. So it's hard to screw up simple. So when people visit your Supreme Profit Systems website, they enter their name and email, they get onto an email list and get follow-up emails, right? So that's legit. That works. We all know that follow up with your leads works, right? Like it's not like they get leads and then print the leads out and throw them into the wishing well. Like it's not like we do legit shit. Like we're doing it right, you know. So your traffic gets put onto a list, and then they go to the sales page. They watch the video. And they have the opportunity to call a 1-800 number. So there's no closers, there's no there's no fake coaches that try to upsell people. It's a really simple program. So when you ask, is Supreme Profit Systems legit? It's very legit. Okay, they got the systems and processes to follow up with your leads. They got done for you pages, and when people visit the sales page, it's got a sales video, it's got a sales page, and people call your 1-800 number. Okay, so in Supreme Profit Systems, you're gonna buy a 1-800 number. I go to like 800link.com, cost me like $10 a month for a 1-800 number. So you're gonna put that 1-800 number into your back office. That will populate into your sales page. And then people call your 1-800 number and they tell you what level they're ready to get started at, right? So they say, hey, I want to get started at the $3,500 level, and I'd like to pay it through Cash App. My number is 480-582-4372. Call me whenever you can. Like, you want to talk about a legitimate system, Supreme Profit Systems, you're going to get people calling your number and saying, I want to send you thousands of dollars through Venmo, PayPal, or Cash App. Call me back. And then you call them back and you collect the payment. Upfront direct commissions, 100%. So it's actually a lot more legit than a lot of other programs, because a lot of other programs, they'll like like for example, you'll earn a commission, right? But then you only get like 20% of the commission, and then there's a percentage of it that's being held back for 6 months, right? For refunds, blah 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 bullshit, right? So with these other companies and these other programs that you join that are like digital payment processors and credit cards and things like that, they end up holding your money for a week or two, sometimes a month, right? So like if you have a 30-day refund policy on your program, that means that the company can't pay out until after 30 days, because what if the person wants a refund? Then they're going to have to take from the affiliate's pocket, and the affiliate owes money, so they can't pay out until 30 days later. So a lot of programs, when it comes to making money and collecting money into your hands, into your bank account, they're a lot more difficult, right? Because you have to wait for your commissions, wait for the refund time, and then part of your commissions are in holdback for like 6 months to fucking forever. So it's like it's way legit to get direct Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, or direct mail or Bitcoin commissions. Way legit. So that's why I really like this system, Supreme Profit Systems. I have a lot of bonuses on my team. Go ahead and check out the link in the description to see my bonuses. I have the best bonuses out of anyone in the industry, out of any program in network marketing, affiliate marketing, because I actually work with my team, coach my team, and build my team's funnels, emails, websites, bridge videos, and help you actually get results in your business. So check out my team bonuses down below. But anyways, I'm the best person to work with. Call me anytime. I actually help you set things up, actually tell you exactly what to say, and help you move the needle and get results in your business. For example, I helped Doug get his first sale within 12 days of working with me in a different program. So I help people in many programs. It doesn't matter what program you want to promote. It's the same skill set. You build a capture page, a bridge page, you brand it to you, you set up your email autoresponder, you send your autoresponder back to your thank you page, and you buy traffic, you make videos. It's the same process for every fucking program you ever want to build, or MLM that you want to build. So I coach people on this all the time. So if you want to build a Supreme Profit Systems business and actually collect $500, $1,500, $3,500, $7,500, and $11,000 in commissions, I'm the best person that you could ever work with to be able to do that. Okay? I'm the only person that's going to be available to actually answer your questions and actually help you get results. And you can clone my funnel. So check out my funnel down below. The first link in the description is my awesome Supreme Profit Systems funnel, and I clone that funnel for you, brand it to you. So everything that you're amazed by that you see from me is everything that your leads are going to be amazed by when they see you, because I help you create the same thing. So thank you so much, my friend. Have a wonderful day. Click the link down below to get started in Supreme Profit Systems and start collecting direct 100% commissions right to your PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Mail, or even Bitcoin. So thank you so much. Click that link down below, and I'll see you on the inside, my friend. Bye-bye.